Hello everyone, my name is Anya and today I would like to show you how to make this Easter egg. It's a very easy pattern. I was using treble crochet and chain spaces, and especially because of those chain spaces where you join two parts together, you can adjust the size of the Easter egg which is inside, and I just use normal fillable plastic Easter egg. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you for watching. We will start by making a slip knot. So twist your yarn and pull one end through. Insert your hook into a slip knot, tighten it, and we will make chain 7. Yarn over the hook, pull through, chain 1, yarn over the hook, pull through, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We'll insert our hook into first chain and slip stitch into this first chain to form a ring. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. We will now make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this chain 6 will work as first treble crochet plus chain 2. Into this ring we will need to make 9 more treble crochet, all divided by chain 2 spaces. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 2, 1 and 2. And I will show you again how to make treble crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Make chain 2. And we'll carry on working those treble crochet and counting this first chain 4 as treble. We will have all together 10 trebles. So carry on, make 7 more treble crochet and 7 more chain 2 spaces, and at the end of this round slip stitch into the 4th chain of the starting chain 6. We will start this round by slip stitching into the next chain 2 space, and we will work chain 3, which will not count as a stitch. Into the same chain 2 space we will need to work 4 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 treble crochet into this chain 2 space, chain 2. Into the next chain 2 space I will work again 4 treble crochet, and I will make chain 2 at the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 2. And into each chain 2 space of this round I will work 4 treble crochet followed by chain 2. And when you finish your last chain 2 space working your 4 treble crochet, make again chain 2 and slip stitch into this first treble crochet of this round. We'll start this round by making a slip stitch into the next treble crochet and working chain 1. Into the same stitch we'll work single crochet. So insert your hook into this treble, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We will work single crochet into the next stitch. So insert your hook into the next treble, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Make chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Into the next chain 2 space, we will work 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. We'll work again chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we will work single crochet into this next group of 4 trebles into second and third treble. So 1 single crochet into the second treble of this group of 4 and 1 single crochet into the third treble. And we will be repeating the same pattern all over. So chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 single crochet into chain 2 space, 1, 2, chain 7 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 single crochet into the second treble of this group of 4 trebles and 1 single crochet into the next treble, and again chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 single crochet into chain 2 space, and carry on all the way round. So you will be working chain 7, single crochet into the second treble, single crochet into the third treble, chain 7, 2 single crochet into chain 2 space, and at the end of this round slip stitch into this first single crochet made and fasten off. To make part 2, we will make round 1 and 2 in exactly the same way as we did it with part 1. And the only difference will be part 3, and I will show you how to do it. We'll start working the third round of the second part by slip stitching into the next treble, working chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and we will work chain 3. And we will now start connecting both parts together. So I will turn my first part so the left side is facing me, and I will find the space, any chain 7 space, which is just before chain 2, and I will slip stitch into this chain 7 space. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. Make chain 3. And we will now work 2 single crochet into the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. We will work chain 3, and we will slip stitch into the next chain 7 space of the first part. Chain 3, and we will be working on top of the second and third treble of the next group of 4 trebles, working single crochet into those stitches. Chain 3 again. We will connect, so make a slip stitch into the next chain 7 space of first part, chain 3. And we will work 2 single crochet into the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2, chain 3 again, slip stitch to the next chain 7 space, chain 3. And we will work again into the second treble of the next group of 4 trebles, single crochet and single crochet into the next treble, and carry on connecting both parts. And when you have connected enough that you can insert your egg, start connecting with the egg inside, in between those 2 parts. And at the end of this round, slip stitch into this first single crochet and fasten off.